Today, I'm going to show you how to apply the Xtreme Lashes Silicone Under Eye Patches. Before you start, instruct your client to keep their eyes closed and relaxed. After you remove the patches from their pouch, using your micro-spring scissors, cut a rounded corner from the plastic backing. Next, remove your first patch from the plastic backing and then place only the tip of the bottom of the patch back on the plastic backing where you cut the rounded edge as shown here. Do not press the patch into the plastic backing. Pressing the patch firmly onto the plastic backing will make it difficult to remove later. Now you can use the contour of the under eye patch to align it with your client's lower lash line. Gently lift your client's upper eyelid and place the silicone patch on top of the lower lashes, approximately 1 millimeter away from the client's lower lash line. You can make any necessary adjustments to the alignment of the patch to ensure that all of the lower lashes are covered. Gently tap the patch down to ensure it's adhered properly and won't move during your application. Once you have the patch properly aligned along the lower lash line, hold one end of the patch with your finger and gently remove the plastic backing from the patch. To prevent corneal abrasions, be careful not to align the edge of the under eye patch to come into contact with the inside of the client's eye. Repeat this process on the other eye and you're done.